potatoes are starting to die a little bit. So I think that's when it's time to harvest. So we're gonna use this awesome little thing for the first time I've got it open. Whole bunch of dirt. That's it. It's rocks. So far, no taters. No, not feeling taters. It's like rocks. Yeah, I'm getting on the underside of the tater plant so I can fill the taters in there. They're deep in there. See the bottom of their roots. Yeah, potatoes got my hands coming up. So it makes me wonder, what is this? Is this a potato? Or did this make a plant? I think this is a potato that I planted and it made a plant.